While comparing with others can motivate and inspire growth, it can also be toxic and lead to stress, negative self-talk, and unhealthy competition. Comparing yourself to others is a common human behavior, especially in the workplace where people interact and collaborate with each other. Hi, Theo here. Welcome to my channel. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like it and hit the subscribe button to get notified with my latest content. When done in a healthy way, comparing yourself with others can be beneficial in the workplace. By observing the success of others, we can learn from their experiences and adapt their successful strategies to our own situation. For example, if you have coworkers you admire, you can compare yourself with them and see what they do differently and how they grow in the company. Try to model and mimic them can help you learn and grow faster. Moreover, by comparing yourself with others, you can gain valuable insight into what's possible and how to measure your progress and set realistic goals for yourself. However, comparing yourself with others can also have negative consequences. If you constantly live comparing yourself with others and running to have what they have without a clear intention, you may get disappointed and unfulfilled. You may eventually achieve those things, but when you do, you'll be looking to have something else. This endless cycle of comparison and competition can lead to feeling of self-doubt and stress. Therefore, it's important to be aware of the pitfalls of unhealthy comparison and try to avoid them. As an example, by comparing yourself to coworkers you admire and studying their growth and behaviors, you can gain valuable insight and learn faster. It is important to avoid negative self-talk and doubt and instead gain confidence from others until you develop it within yourself. Let me share with you 3 things to develop a healthy approach to comparing yourself with others. 1. Instead of working hard to learn and grow in the workplace, collaborate with your colleagues. Share your goals with them and ask for help and feedback on how you can achieve them. 2. Analyze others who have been succeeded in your field or have the skills you want to achieve. Observe what they are doing differently and try to model and mimic their behavior. 3. Make your work easier, less stressed and more enjoyable by finding ways to integrate the skills and strategies you've learned from others. Implement these techniques in your own work and monitor your progress towards achieving your goals. Remember, it is important to strike a balance between healthy comparison and harmful self-criticism. By collaborating with others and using practical strategies to learn from them, you can avoid the pitfalls of unhealthy comparison and fast-track your growth in the workplace. Thanks for tuning in. If you find this video valuable to you, don't forget to like it and hit the subscribe button to not miss out on any new content. Have you checked out the Career Insider Facebook group yet? If not, you can easily find the link in the resources section. It is a community for anyone who's feeling overwhelmed and burnout at work. This group is all about asking questions and sharing helpful tips and strategies to boost our productivity and improve our time and stress management in our careers and daily lives. Looking forward to seeing you there.